like to dance. But I like it more when my family dances with me.
One of my chores is mowing the lawn. But the job gets done faster with my family.
I like to sing A, B, C, D, E, but it's funner with my sisters.
I like going fishing. But when my brothers come along, it's always a better time.